Good evening, gentlemen. Today's my topic is Make in India initiative. Gentlemen, it was launched in 2014 and it is an open invitation for the potential investors and businessmen across the world to be part of the growth story of New India. Gentlemen, the Make in India initiative aims at transforming the country into a leading manufacturing and investment destination, and its objective is to attract foreign direct investments for industrialization and to develop the existing industrial bases in India, and it also aims to increase the share of our manufacturing sector in our nation's GDP. As a result, gentlemen, the foreign direct investment has been increased from 45 billion US dollar to 83.6 US billion dollar in the year 2021 and 22, and with the help of economic reforms and ease of doing business, India is on track to attract the foreign direct investment around 100 US billion dollar in the financial year 2022-23. Gentlemen, basically in the defense sector, we exported BrahMos missile to the Philippines, and India's first indigenous aircraft carrier was built at Mazgaon Dock and got commissioned this year into the Indian Navy, and the LCA Tejas Mach 1 which was built by HAL has its high demand in the international market. Gentlemen, the national single window system has combined all the existing clearance systems of the various departments and ministries of the central government and state government to reduce the bureaucratic procedure and to enhance the to reduce the bureaucratic procedure and it also enhances the experience of the investor in our country. Gentlemen, government also launched Gati Shakti program for the multimodal connectivity to the manufacturing zones across our country, and there is also one initiative, that is the One District One Product initiative that aims at facilitating the local products like handloom and handicrafts and textiles, agricultural products of the local regions, and this will help in enhancing the socio-economic growth of various regions across our country. Gentlemen, government has also launched a 10 billion US dollar incentive scheme to create a semiconductor ecosystem in our country, and there is also Vedanta, who has taken the agreement to build semiconductors in Vadodara in Gujarat. And gentlemen, the Make in India incentive scheme has been striving towards creating a business ecosystem which will be conducive towards the investors doing business in India and contributing to the growth and development of our country. And this incentive scheme also aims at making the products which are also made in India could be also for the made for world according to the quality of the world market. And this Make in India initiative is also making us self-reliant according to the geopolitical situation which is changing day by day, and this will help us in becoming the third largest economy of the world. And gentlemen, this was all about the Make in India incentive scheme. Thank you.